Hello everyone. So recently my 16mm Sony lens decided to stop focusing. So one day I was just taking a video and everything was out of focus. However, the night before everything was fine. I wasn't quite sure what happened. It was weird that the lens worked the day before, but it was totally out of focus. So what I did is kind of shook it around a little bit. I just wanted to see if there was anything kind of bouncing around inside it. And what I did, I just kind of gave it one or two taps on each side on the table just to see if there was something inside moving. And immediately I heard something bouncing around inside. I looked through this little hole and I noticed that this piece of glass, this lens here, is just completely loose. I undid these 3 screws and it turns out that this circular piece right in here, I'm not going to take it out right now because it's kind of like jammed in there, but it's literally just glued in. You might be able to see these little like 3 little blobs in the corner. They're kind of like almost like the rubbery type of glue. So literally all this does is sit in here and it's glued in place. That glue is not really that good. So if somehow this lens gets bumped or anything happens, this can just simply pop out of place. All I did was kind of get it in place there nicely. I kind of shimmied it in. I didn't re-glue it yet. I am going to glue it in. Put it back in the camera. Obviously put the little cap back on. And it worked perfectly. I still need to clean it out a little bit. That's really it. I just wanted to point this out, that this lens has this incredibly simple flaw where this piece is just not glued on very well. And if it gets bumped or just something happens, it'll fall out of place, causing the focus to be off. And if it's just slightly out of place, you might not notice anything's bouncing around and you might be wondering what is causing this. And that's literally it. This is just probably like 1/4 millimeter slightly up on one side, causing this issue to occur. So I hope this helps someone. At first I was pretty annoyed, obviously, that the lens was not working. I thought I had to get a new one. I even went on Craigslist, already found a new one, and I decided, you know what? Why don't I undo these 3 screws and see if I can fix this? And 5 minutes later, it was fixed. So yeah, hope this helps.